welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, today we are going to study a term polygon in mathematics. Polygon, 8th class, polygon. What do you mean by a polygon? A polygon is a polygon. Polygon is a closed figure. Closed two-dimensional figure. Closed figure bounded by straight lines. A polygon is a closed figure bounded by straight lines. For example, this is not a closed figure. This is a closed figure. This is also a closed figure. This is another closed figure having 4 sides, 3 sides, 5 sides, etc. This is not a closed figure. This is not a closed figure, open figure. This is an open figure. That is, a polygon is a closed two-dimensional figure bounded by straight lines. That is, here we have the smallest polygon is triangle. Smallest polygon. It is a closed figure with the 3 sides. Triangle. A polygon has at least 3 sides. A polygon has at least 3 sides. A polygon is a closed two-dimensional figure bounded by straight lines. The smallest polygon is triangle, that is a 3-sided figure. A polygon has at least 3 sides. Next, polygons are many types. Then a 3-sided polygon. A 3-sided polygon. Name it by triangle. A 3-sided polygon is a triangle. Next, 4-sided polygon is quadrilateral. That is a closed figure with 4 sides. Example, square, rectangle, rhombus, trapezium, etc. Any 4-sided figure is quadrilateral. 5-sided figure is pentagon. A 5-sided polygon we call it as pentagon. That is triangle, 3-sided, quadrilateral, 4-sided, trapezium, rectangle, etc. Pentagon, 5-sided, 6-sided. 6-sided polygon we call it as hexagon. 6-sided polygon, that is hexagon. That is 6-sided polygon, hexagon. Then 7-sided polygon, septagon. A polygon, a closed figure with 7 sides. 8-sided polygon, octagon. Then 9-sided nonagon, and 10-sided decagon. Once more, what is meant by a polygon? It is in 8th class. A polygon is a closed two-dimensional figure bounded by straight lines. Bounded by straight lines. Then the smallest polygon is that. Smallest polygon. It is a polygon with the three sides. Smallest polygon is, short answer take question. Smallest polygon is triangle. That is a closed figure with the three sides. Three sides, triangle. Three-sided polygon, triangle. Four sides, quadrilateral. Five sides, pentagon. Six sides, six-sided polygon, hexagon. Seven sides, septagon. Eight sides, octagon. Nine sides, nonagon. Nine sides. 10 sides, decagon. Then to put it in brief, a polynomial is a closed figure bounded by two-dimensional figure bounded by straight lines. The smallest polygon is triangle. That is a three-sided polygon. That is a polygon has at least three sides. That is the smallest polygon is dash triangle. A three-sided polygon, triangle. Four-sided polygon, quadrilateral. Any four-sided polygon is called a quadrilateral. Five-sided pentagon, six-sided hexagon, seven-sided septagon, and eight-sided octagon, nine-sided nonagon, and 10-sided figure polygon, decagon. Then in triangle ABC, the smallest polygon. A triangle, the smallest polygon. A triangle has three sides and three angles. Here the three sides of this triangle are AB, line segment AB, BC and CA. Three straight lines AB, BC and CA. By joining these straight lines we get a three-sided polygon, that is triangle ABC with the sides AB, BC and CA. And the three angles are angle A, angle B and angle C. Then we study about interior angle and exterior angle. Interior angle and exterior angle. A, B, C. Then B, C, D and E. Here the interior angles. Interior angles are angles lie inside the polygon. Inside the polygon, or here it is triangle inside the polygon. That is interior angles. Here interior angles of this triangle. Interior angles are angle CAB, angle ABC and BCA. Angle BCA. Here the interior angles are this, this and this. These three angles lies inside this figure. Inside this figure. That is, we say that these three angles are interior angles because they lie inside the figure. Then the angle lies outside the figure, exterior to this triangle. Exterior angles. Must we study the interior angles and exterior angles. Here I draw two exterior angles to this triangle, that is exterior. The angle lies exterior, outside this triangle, that is angle CBD. That is angle lies outside the polygon. Outside the polygon or here triangle. That is we call it as exterior angle. Exterior angle. Next, another exterior angle. That is ECA. Angle ECA is another exterior angle. That angle lies outside the figure. Exterior angle. Then the interior angle, interior angle, interior angle. That is angle CAB, ABC and BCA are interior angles, and that they outside that is these angles lies inside this figure, that is interior angles, and these two angles lies outside this figure, this polygon, that is they are called exterior angles. Exterior angles. Then the sum of angles of a triangle, sum of triangles of a triangle is 180 degree. Sum of triangles of a triangle is 180 degree. They have three sides and three angles. Sum of interior angles. Sum of interior angles. Interior angles. Angles of a triangle. Interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. And PQRS quadrilateral, then square. This is also another quadrilateral. Then the sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360. We study about a triangle. These three angles are interior angles. Angles lies inside the polygon, that is inside this triangle, that is these are interior angles. Angle ABC, angle BCA and angle CAB. These are interior angles of triangle ABC, interior angles. And this angle 1 and angle 2. These two angles are exterior angles. Then DBC, angle DBC and angle, that is angle 1, and angle ECA, angle ECA, they lies outside the figure, outside the closed figure. Outside the figure, they are called exterior angles. Exterior angles. Then the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Next, the sum of angles of any quadrilateral, that is any four-sided figure, of a quadrilateral, square, rhombus, parallelogram, rectangle, etc. Quadrilateral is 360 degree. Sum of angles, four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Then next year. These two angles, that is in the shape of a protractor 180 degree. This exterior angle plus corresponding interior angle equal to 180 degrees. That is this in the shape of a protractor 180, this and this. In this figure, this and 1 and 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180 degree in this triangle. That is two opposite rays. That is AB, P, P2. In this, these two angles sum 180 degree, form a linear pair. Next, the formula for the sum of angles of a polygon is sum of interior angles means interior angle. Sum of angles of a polygon, we have to say in general, polygon is n minus 2 into 180. N minus 2 into 180, where n is the number of sides of a figure. N is the number of sides of polygon. Then you have to solve a problem. Then given that the sum of angles of a polygon is 900, then find the number of sides of the polygon. Sum of angles of a polygon is 900, find the number of sides of the polygon. That is given that sum of angles of polygon, given that is 900. We have a formula, the sum of angles of a polygon is n minus 2 into 180, where n is the number of sides. Here we have to side. Here the question is find the number of sides. Number of sides of the polygon. Number of sides of the polygon. Then given that number of sides n minus 2 into 180, sum is 100. Then n minus 2 equal to 900 by 180. N minus, that is n minus 2 equal to 5. That is n equal to 7. Then the number of sides of a polygon is, here is n equal to 7. That is, here the polygon is septagon. Here the polygon is septagon. And once more, we have to solve the same problem. Then given that the sum of angles of a polygon is 900, then how many sides are there in the polygon? Question. The polygon. Then given that sum of angles equal to 900, that is the formula for sum of angles of a polygon is n minus 2 into 180 equal to 900. N minus 2 into 180, sum of angles of a polynomial formula is n minus 2 into 180. Even here we have given that n minus 2 into 180 equal to 900. That is n minus 2 equal to 900 by 180. It's equal to 5. N minus 2 equal to 5. That is n equal to 5 plus 2 equal to 7. That is, here the 7-sided polygon. Here the polygon number of sides is 7. 7-sided polygon. That is, we say it as septagon. Then, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.